Alright guys, and now I've moved to my car and it is dirty, of course. So I got the, sorry for the bad lighting, the Motorola MA1 adapter. And there's my USB port, as you can see, or can't see, hard to see. I'm gonna plug it in. Turn on my head unit. Let's see, it should start to do something. I see it's blinking. Looks like it's ready to pair. So on my phone, okay, I gotta go to, I might not know. Oh, Bluetooth is on. Device. Android Auto. That's it right here. Do I want to pair? Sure. And I'll even let it do the call history. And it's pairing. It's connected. Oh, and there it goes. So it does see that device, Android Auto, didn't go automatically, so I'm gonna push the buttons. Hopefully after this first try it will go. And there it goes. And all of my apps, all my podcasts, my phone, all the apps that I use are here. Alright, so what do I think about the Motorola MA1, which is the wireless Android Auto adapter for your car? Well, it works. It's almost as if it was wired. Every functionality works just fine. It even goes into dark mode when you turn on your headlights, as if it was wired. There's no perceptible lag that I can tell, especially when navigating around. Even Google Assistant responding and everything, it just works like if it was wired. The only issue that I have with Android Auto, and this is not with the adapter, but battery life of my phone just drains so much quicker. I have a 30-minute commute from my house to, to work, and it took 10% of my battery life. And so, because of that, even short trips can really drain your phone. So I would imagine an hour drive, like if you were taking a longer trip, that's 20%. Even if you charged your phone fully, you're looking at like what, 6 hours of use before your phone dies. And obviously that's, most people won't have it always at 100% when they enter the car. And number two, you don't want to end your trip with a battery that's almost dead as you're leaving your car, especially when you're traveling. And then if you want to plug it in to keep it charged, that kind of defeats the purpose of having Android wireless to begin with, I think. And then not only that, but the phone heats up. It gets pretty hot. It can get up, I've seen it go up to like 80, 90 degrees Fahrenheit on the battery while in use. And battery draw, using AccuBattery as an app can tell you the high amount of battery drains. It seems like it drains the normal amount, like anywhere between 400 to 500 milliamps when you're actually actively using your phone. So that seems normal when your screen is on and you're actually scrolling. But for when the screen is off, that is relatively high drain. But not only that, but if there's activity, for example, if the next song comes on, you switch tracks, you interact with Google Assistant, or you move around the map, or you use the map a little bit more, like for example, searching for things. I've seen the battery drain go to up to a full amp to maybe 1.5 amps. So, amp hour, milliamp hour. No, I'm sorry, that is amp hour. 1,400, 1,500 milliamp hours as it's pulling from your battery. So that attributes to the temperature. So I read at this point until maybe it just needs an Android update. Maybe at this point it's not the fault of the adapter, but the entire concept. Right now, I can't really recommend it. I don't know if anyone else has the same experience, not just with the Motorola MA1, but like just using Android Auto in general, whether your head unit supports it from the factory or not. Let me know if that's your experience, because I'm kind of wondering if this is the whole Android Auto issue going wireless that's being a problem, just because of all the power hungriness it uses, because it uses your Wi-Fi too and your Bluetooth at the same time. A lot of people are saying that battery life is a lot better with Android 12L, which is coming out in March. And I don't know if that's going to help with Android Auto, so let's see if it does. But yeah, let me hear about your experience. If you used wireless Android in your car, whether it's with this adapter or a different adapter or just natively with your car's head unit, whether you have an aftermarket head unit or maybe you're lucky enough to own a BMW that actually has wireless Android already built in. And I know there are some other cars that are coming with it too, but I think BMW was the first one. So yeah, let me know. Ciao.